Damn it, do I got it upside down or whatever? Does it? Yeah, it's upside down. Anywho, yeah, I'm doing an unboxing video of this TRAXXAS XMAXX. Kinda wanted to do it, open it last night, but I held off. So anyways, I got the battery pack and the battery. I gotta get one more battery, then I'll do a review on it. Hold this. Back up so you can see. Hey, what time you gonna take the cuz? Huh? What time you gonna do that? What time you probably going on? Oh, I don't know. you might need to go ahead and know. So, yeah, that's the TRAXXAS XMAXX 8S. So basically, I already cut it open, but I didn't take anything out yet. So I just wanted to see what it looked like. But look at that. Look at my hand compared to that tire, bro. This thing is freaking massive. Let me go ahead and give it back to my son. Let him record. Try to record. Take this out. I don't even know how I'm gonna get it out. Probably gotta dump it. Can you see everything?
Uh-huh.
You can see the box and
Yeah.
So it looks really nice and neatly packed. This little spare piece on the top. And I'm gonna do a review on that go-kart later on. But as for this, look at this. I guess this is the controller. What's it, man? I gotta excuse my kitchen scissors. Well, it feels cool. It feels real light though. I know it needs batteries, but it does feel like real, fairly decent quality material. It doesn't seem like the best material on earth, I'm not gonna lie. I got my son a remote control car, and it actually feels like this, and it's like 100 times cheaper. I mean, it feels decent, but it doesn't feel like $1,000 worth. But we'll see. Feels nice and light though. I guess that's a good thing. I'm not no damn remote control car racer. So I don't know, maybe it's a good thing to have a lightweight controller, but I know you gotta put batteries in. And look at this boat. This thing is big. Like, you can't even tell just because of like the camera or whatever, but God, like, how do you get out? I'm trying to keep everything in frame so I can get it out. Like, this thing is massive. Come out. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come out. Come out and play with me. Play with me, please. Please. Oh my God. This thing is the truth. Get out. Get out. Okay. Watch my fanny, son. Excuse me. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. So we got that out. Hope I don't have to return that box. Dude, this thing is the truth. Damn, this thing is big. Oh man. Oh, it's heavy. All right, find somewhere to sit it. Huh? All right, here, I'll let you pick it and try and sit it beside this controller. I can't wait to feel it with batteries in it. Wonder what kind of batteries go in there. Let's take a quick look. I'll look in a minute. All right, pick it up. And I do remind you, it is heavy. Ooh, it's big. Get it on the truck. Ooh, this thing is huge. Oh, I'm so in love. This is what I've been dying to do. Like literally, I've been dying to do this for years. Like I seen when they take these bad boys out, take them out of the plastic and everything, and cut this little zip tie. Man, I can't wait to do that. Let me take this off. I think you gotta yeah. All right, so I think you gotta take this off. Unlike that. I don't know how this thing works, so don't chew me out in the comments. Pull that off for me. Okey-dokey. So I'll just leave this off for a second. All right, this is the main event. Look, Ty, watch what happens when I cut this off the make sure I'm not cutting anything else with my kitchen knife, kitchen scissors. All right, it's pretty, man, and this thing is real. It feels tough as hell. So it must be tough because these springs are goddamn strong as shit. That's, man, they had to put like some commercial industrial strength crap on here. These springs must be off the chain. Ooh, look at that. Damn, I didn't even get to catch it as much as I wanted to. But it did come up some. Well, I got to see it. I don't think I got it on camera the way I wanted to. All right, let's see if I can catch this one. Ooh, you saw that time? Mm-hmm. It looks cool, doesn't it?
Yeah. Does it go faster?
Hell yeah, but I'm not driving it because I don't have the other battery. You know, all that stuff was back ordered and blah blah blah. Man, I would have been so happy if it was an extra battery in here, but it's not. I gotta get one more of those, and then I'm running this bad boy full strength. They say with the stock gearing, it'll do 50 miles per hour. So, let me put that back on. Let's see how this goes. Is there anything special? Okay, I guess this part right here must hook into that. So, it's hooked. Is there something under here that needs to? Because I did see like a, nope. Let's make sure one more time. Or does it go up under here? Is it that one? No, it goes under this one. Hold it so I can put that cover back on. Okay, now how is this bad boy on there? Was it on there like this? Okay, so this, all right, so it goes on this way then. And then that latches on to that. Let's see. Yeah. All right, now we're cooking. All right, there we go. So basically, to get it on, so you unlock it and unlock it, take this back, and then unhook it out. But this little piece right here hooks up under this, and then this part right here is like a lever. So when you pull it up, it locks it in place when you put it down, and it fastens on that part. I don't know if you can see it. So you gotta hook it on this part and this part with this thing that goes up and down, and it's like a fastener, like a little lever that connects. So I'll stick it back on there. Let's try and use the camera as my eyes. Use the camera as my eyes so I can see. Bam. And that's it. The unboxing is complete. I will make another video soon once I get finished. Look at this shit, man. This is my truck, and this big bad boy is sitting on there like it is my truck. Anyways, I'll do a video in January, probably 2019. I mean 20 freaking 50 when they send the other battery. But that's it. I'll do a video on that one too. This thing is nasty. This go-kart, this thing is pretty fun. I'm gonna fucking upgrade this thing, put all kinds of shit on there. Anything gotta say, Ty? Nothing?
This is the best thing ever.
All right.
Get one.
Word. All right, so I'll holler at y'all, man. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. Deuce.